This is a bike check of the brand new specialized Tarmac SL8 Expert. Partially integrated cables are tucked in nicely. With improved aerodynamics and improved weight savings, the SL8 is lighter and slips through the air quicker. Roval C38 carbon wheels are super nice. 16.6 seconds faster over 40 kilometers, 128 seconds faster over Milan-San Remo, and 20 seconds faster over the legendary Tourmalet climb. Features rival E-Tap Access 12-speed with built-in power meter. One bike to rule them all. Who are your rivals?